Hi friends, my name is YoYo, and today I'm here with my friend Robot. Beep, 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 beep. Today I'm going to be doing some breathing exercises. Let's do it together.
Go with YoYo.
My good friend Robot, also known as LQ, brought along a breathing ball. Check it out. It's so colorful. Do you see all the colors? I see orange, yellow, green, and pink. We're going to be doing a really fun breathing activity. Sometimes Robot feels a little sad or tired or angry, a whole mixture of emotions. And I feel that way too sometimes. And maybe you have experienced that also. Those emotions are normal. We all have them. And sometimes breathing helps me to calm down, helps me to get back in the moment and feel better inside. It's a really cool thing. It's like a superpower that we all have inside to help us feel better. And I like to use LQ's breathing ball to help me. Now let's take a big deep breath in and exhale it out. It's like magic. Wow. When you breathe in, the ball expands. And when you breathe out, it goes back in. Let's try it again. Breathe in and breathe out. I really like to take my deep breaths in through my nose. Let's try it in our nose and out through our nose right now. Ready? Breathe in and breathe out. Let's try it again. Breathe in and breathe out. It's really fun to watch the breathing ball expand. Now let's try it together even slower. Ready? Breathing in through our nose and breathing out. That's it. Breathing is a really simple way to help us calm down and feel better inside. It's your natural superpower. We all have it. Thanks, friends, for breathing with me. Thanks for taking a calm moment to just feel good inside. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.
Go with YoYo.